Properly formatting your Excel data is crucial before moving it into Power Query. Let's look at how Excel tables make this easy. To start, select any cell and press Ctrl+T. Excel automatically detects your data range and converts it into a structured table. Excel offers various styles to improve readability. This isn't just cosmetic, it helps you quickly scan data and identify patterns. Tables create a stable cells for Power Query. When you add new rows, they are recognized automatically, keeping your transformations accurate. Before loading, ensure headers are clear, remove blank rows, and avoid merge cells. This ensures your data is clean and ready for analysis.
This is the data we are going to be using for our table formatting. I have written another name in the worksheet here called table formatting. This is the general data. This is the data we are going to be using on how we can format our table. We copy it, we highlight all this data in this particular worksheet. We are going to copy it and then we are going to paste it in this worksheet. So the data is already here in the worksheet. We need to expand this column. For each data, we have to make sure we can see clearly every information in the column. So what we do here is I will only use the manual part here to explain. Then I will open another worksheet to explain how we can use our short code for expanding the column. Before I go ahead, I just need to open the column manually by dragging it on the right hand side top. You have to drag it to expand each column so that every data information in the row or column will come out clearly. So that is how we can manually expand the column. What we want to do is we want to create table. In anything you are doing in your data analysis, always take note of your table formatting before even cleaning your data or after cleaning your data. So we want to create table. How do we create table? We have another short code for creating table, and that is when we use Control+T for creating table. That is the short code for creating table. So I've written it down here so that you will take note of the short code for creating table. Let's expand the column. I have expanded the column. So what we do next is you come to your data. It must have elder's name. So to create the table, you click on Ctrl+T. It's going to ask you if you have an header, and you say yes, we have an header. So let's cancel it first. I need to correct something in my elder's name. The elder's name, we need to put space in between the wall or the email address. We need to put space in between the email address and the first name, the middle name, the street, or no, let's say the telephone number, and so that every information there are seen clearly. So you can just drag the column so that we can see them, so that we can see what we have in the columns. So this is, we are dragging it manually, but in the next explanation I will explain how you can automatically expand your column at once to save time. So you highlight the entire data in this worksheet by clicking on alternative plus HOI, then you click on Control T. I wrote it down. This is how to create your table. You have created a table here now. This is how to create your table. This is our email address. You can see that. Then let's open another worksheet where I will use only the short code to explain how to expand your column at once, and another way we can format our table. So what we do now is we rename this worksheet as table formatting 2. Table formatting 2. Then go to your general data, copy it, Ctrl C, and then you will paste it in the next column, table formatting 2. Ctrl V, paste it there, and then you have your data in this worksheet. So I have automatically expanded it by using alternative plus HOI for this expanding of column. You can see instead of dragging it manually, let's also put space in between the email address as we did in the first one. Let's put space. So this is our data here. Then go to your view tab, your home tab, your home tab, where we are going to format as table. You will see the ribbon there, all where we will be able to highlight this data and we format it as table. Go to your home tab. Let's go to the home tab again. Then see format as table here. We have different colors we can use here for of your own choice, any color you like. So your table will be created. So you have created a table. You can see it, right? You click on format as table, click any color you like. You can see how beautiful this color looks like on your. Look at the first one I did. The color here is blue. Look at the first one I did. So in the second worksheet we have the yellow color. So that is how to format as table. In our next class, I will explain how to free span your data. How to free span your data. That is, if you have a large data set in your worksheet and then like you want to know a particular number in the worksheet, you started scrolling down or up, and while you are scrolling you don't know what order you pick. So this is what we call free span. So this is what we are going to look at next week. Thank you. Please, if you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.